Hi everyone, welcome to this exciting video where we will dive into the world of Teespring and explore a comprehensive tutorial designed especially for beginners. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your knowledge, this complete guide has got you covered. Get ready to discover the ins and outs of Teespring as we embark on this educational journey together. Now let's begin. Let's start with creating an account, or if you already have a Teespring account, you can just go ahead and log in. So for those who hasn't created any Teespring account yet, you can go ahead and click on Start Creating. So the first thing that you will do here is fill out all the boxes right here. First thing is your name or your brand name, your email address, and create a password for your Spring account. Once everything has been filled out, you can go ahead and put a check mark on the reCAPTCHA so that you would be able to successfully sign up your Teespring account here. So now that everything is filled up, click on sign up, and then here, this is a page where you will be creating your URL account for your online store here on Teespring. So you can just write let's say you have a store and you want to have the brand name. Let's say my brand name is Zia. You can just input the brand itself, and then Teespring will go ahead and create the whole URL for you as shown below. That's how the format would be. So once you're done, you will now have a Teespring account and you will be routed into your Teespring account dashboard. This is where you'll be starting to create your own product. On the dashboard, you'll actually see the different products that you can use for your own online store. There, you'll be able to see the bestsellers, the apparels, hats, digital art, home and decor, accessories, and a lot more. So you can actually browse into these products. And if you're interested in creating your own design or incorporating your own design into these products that they provide you, you can actually use that to create or add that product into your listing with your very own design. So you can see here on the left side panel of the screen, this is where you'll be able to manage your product listing, your tools, your settings, and how you'll be able to manage your online store. So you can actually browse into these tabs rather here at the top part. This is where you'll be able to search products. Here under apparel, there is an option for you to select products for men, women, and for kids. Here on hats, there are different types and kinds of hats that you can use for your own designs. And in order for you to start creating your own design, let's start to use one of the hats right here. And the first thing that you will do is actually choose the color of the product. So with the hat or the cap rather that we have, you need to choose color. So you can actually choose all the colors or you can just specifically choose the color that you like. Depending on what theme your store have, let's say it's summer vibe, you can use more pastel colors. But if you want a cooler vibes, you can use the darker colors right here. So depending on what type of style you're going for. So you can see I've chosen black, navy, as well as dark gray. So before we proceed or continue, make sure that you add your design first, since if you haven't added your design yet, you will not be able to proceed with creating your product listing. So here at the bottom or at the top of the product, you'll see that there's a front and a back option. That's where you'll be able to view or where you'll be able to add the design. So here, when you click on design, the tab just right beside the product, this is where you'll be able to either upload your own design. You can use a clip art that Teespring will provide you, or you can just simply type or write the text rather. And then you can just choose the font, what color the text is, and then you will definitely be able to create that design into the cap. So here I am working on a clip art. I just want to add a clip art here into the cap or the front of the cap. So I'll be using these, one of the zodiac signs like Aries right here. And then I don't like the color white. And the thing here with Teespring is that it's a very good idea for you to create or incorporate your design into these types of products, since instead of using print or paint rather, they will be embroidering this design into the cap, which would look very pleasing to your customers or to your future clients as well. So once you have positioned your design or the clip art that you have chosen, you can go ahead and choose the thread colors. You can actually use multiple colors here, but since the clip art that we chose only requires one, we would just change it to gold so that it would fit the other colors that we have chosen, like the gray, the black, as well as the navy blue. So once we have chosen the thread colors, the next thing that you can do is you can go back to design, and then we will be able to either transform or position. But in this case, what I'll do is I will just add a text at the back. I just want to add the text Aris. And then once we have the text here, we can position it to wherever we want it. And then we can just choose the font right beside the colors and details. I just want to leave it as white thread here. So you can choose what font you'd like to incorporate here, but I'll choose this color or the font rather, so that it would fit the theme for zodiac signs as well. I want it to be gothic like. So once you're done, we can also modify the text size and as well as the letter spacing. Make sure that it would fit and it would look good into the model or the demo product right here. So once we are satisfied with the color of the text as well as the design, we can go ahead and click on continue. And the next thing that we will do is we will be listing the product. First is you will name the title of the product that you're creating. So since we are focusing on, or the clip art that we chose was zodiac signs, we will name our product Aris. And then there would be a description that you will need to fill out as well. So here I am currently using ChatGPT to create the description for me. So all we have to do is just write a prompt where you will ask ChatGPT to write a description for a cap with zodiac sign designs. And here you can see that there's only a limit number of texts into your description right here. So I'll just use the introduction as well as the first paragraph. Once you have the description and the title, next is you will set the pricing. As you can see, there is also the how much profit you will get if you will set that specific price for your product. And you can even set the visibility, whether you want it private, public, or unlisted. And then you can just choose your store. And then once done, you can just click on continue. And then you just wait a few minutes, and then you will now have your online store or the product that we've created live into your online store. So when you scroll down at the bottom, you'll actually be able to see that you will be able to promote your product, like giving discounts for new users or giving discounts to new customers rather. So here I'm just previewing the product and how it would look like on our customers end. Here on the description, they will be able to see the product details and the delivery details rather. And as I mentioned earlier, you can actually set up the offer a promo code where this would definitely boost your sales as well. So you can just input the name of your code. You can choose whether it's the amount or just the percentage. And then you can set up the expiration as well. So you can set it into your online store or into your product. And once you're done, you will be customizing your online store. And before we do that, we can browse into the different pre-features and we can go to our homepage right here. And you will be able to see that now that we have created the product, next thing that we will do is edit our store. Since this is a very new account, it's really important to edit your store so that you will have your own touch and it's not at its default design. So you can set up the colors. So you can even look into Color Hunt. That's a website where you can choose whatever color palette you will use for your website. So let's say here you can browse into different types of color palettes. And let's say we will have this color palette into our website right here. All you have to do is copy the color code. And then when you paste it here, it will automatically change into our preview page here on the right side. You can even set the menu items colors. So it's great to have a color palette for your online store so that you will have a modified design or aesthetic into your online store and it will be more pleasing into your customers' end or perspective so that they will feel that it's not a typical website that they are looking into. So you can even add a hero banner right here. So on the hero banner, you can actually edit using Canva. You can add the description. For example, at that specific season, you are offering discounts. You can definitely upload that into your hero banner. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and save and exit. Then once you have saved your edits here on your online store, you can go ahead and modify the other parts of your online store as well so that your online store here and Teespring will be personalized. So aside from your online store here, you can actually look into other features as well where you'll be able to use the tools and services. And here, as you can see on your dashboard, this is where you started with creating your products. You have created the online store, and that's where you'll be able to start creating as well your discounts or promotions. So here you see under integrations, this is the different applications or social media applications that you can use to connect your Teespring so that in this way, once you connected your online store in these social media platforms, you will have more potential customers that will go into your online store. So here under analytics, you will be able to keep track on how many profits you've gained from selling that specific product. You'll be able to modify as well on how many products you have sold for that specific day or month. And here under listing, this is all the lists of products that you have created here with Teespring. And here under stores, this is where we edited the online stores. We can view your stores right here, and you can even purchase a new domain so that your online store would be more legit. So here you can see that under payouts, you will be able to see how many payout you have generated for the profit that you had when you had your online store live. And under my purchases, you'll be able to see your payment methods, all your subscriptions, and the payment methods you used using this platform. So here on the next feature is the tools and services. This is the promotion. This is where you'll be able to create discounts and all the promotions that would be relating to your products. You have pricing discounts as well. That's the next feature here. And you also have tracking pixels as well. Here with tracking pixels, you'll be able to track the pixels from different social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google. And then all you have to do is fill out all these boxes and then you can go ahead and click on update. And the last feature here with Teespring is that you have the settings. This is where you'll be able to modify your name, your display name. You can add your phone number. You can even modify on what product listing you will display. and you'll be able to modify or add your address, your default currency. You can change your email, change your password, and even you can connect your accounts, and you can even set your PayPal address. So here, the good thing here with Teespring is that they actually offer two-factor authentication, where this would um, allow you to have a peace of mind with knowing that your account here at Teespring is secured. And that's basically it. That's how you use Teespring in creating online products with your own designs for your online store. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Bye.